Today in New York Chinatown, I get to join my good friend Lois, where we sample all the delicious food the city has to offer, from New York's largest dim sum restaurant to one of the fancier restaurants in the city. Along the way, we're gonna go for some treats. And again, this is during the pre-pandemic times where we can all connect, and I hope to connect with you soon. So, ready or not, let's eat. Hey everyone, this is Tim here. This is a wet, rainy day in New York, but I'm not gonna let us down because I'm here with Lois.
Hi, it's muggy and swampy.
So I think we just have to find some indoor activities. We're in Chinatown now, and I've been hearing a lot about great dim sum from all over the places here. So we're gonna visit two dim sum places in New York. New York's largest at Jing Fong and New York's finest at Hakkasan. So two very different places, but definitely looking forward to both. Thank you so much for joining. So without further ado, let's go. It's actually a pretty long escalator ride up. So this is crazy. This is huge. I think 800 people can eat here at a time. All right, we're just getting to our table, and I'm getting lost here. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is our table. Thank you so much. All right, so this is our empty table here. This is really nice. Oh, we'll share. Oh, okay. Share, okay, right? All right. All right, well, Winnie was so nice. We got a beautiful table, but it's shared, so that's okay. We'll get a lot of friends. It's pretty crazy in here. It's so vibrant. We have a shared table here. Our tea is ready, and this is amazing. They have push carts and cooking stations. Pretty cool stuff. All right, our tea has arrived. All right. Cheers. Oh, look at that. What do you have there? We have a juice, beer, mimosas, and champagne. Okay, one mimosa, one glass of champagne. Oh, what do you have there?
Yes.
Oh, this is veggies with sauce, yes. So we have the vegetables. Things are coming fast and furious, just the way I like it. Thank you so much. So we've got our champagne and our mimosa. Cheers, Lois. This is crazy. I've never had champagne for dim sum before, but this is awesome. This is pretty amazing here. I'm barely in my seat, and our table's filling up really, really quickly here. Let me show you. Okay, so some chicken feet. Okay, and then we've got some veggies and the bean curd roll. And this is my favorite, the pork dumpling. Let's give that a try. Really good. Nice and tender and juicy and fatty. I think we're going to get more dishes, but let me see what else they have. In fact, I think you can walk around here. There's some food stations, and check it out. All right, and this is the cooking station. We have some tripe, I think. Really nice stuff. Hello. And then we have some turnip cake. Oh, let's get some turnip cake. Hey, thank you so much. So some of this is a little bit of self-serve, but I love it here. Oh, so we have a new station here. We have more chicken feet. What are those? Oh, those are veg dumplings, spare ribs. Okay, let's get one of those. All right, I'm going to scare Lois with yet more food. All right, I need to take you back for the bean curd roll because if you don't like tofu or bean curd, give this a try. This is kind of the gateway dumpling for you. Thank you. Really good here. The bean curd is like a cloud that wraps up all the pork and the bamboo and all that nice filling. Really luscious and savory. Really fantastic. So finally something deep fried. I can't wait. Let me show you. So we have the bacon and shrimp, the winter melon. Linyong. Oh, so this is a sweet filling inside, and these are pork. Okay. No, thank you. So from her, we've got an amazing deep fried shrimp roll. Let's give this one a try. It's loud in here, but this is all filled with shrimp. Really enjoying this place. So vibrant. But the servers are no nonsense. Get out of the way, get what you want. Very to the point, but very fun. So really fantastic here. It's again, lots of energy, very vibrant. You almost have to fight for your food. But this is New York's largest dim sum at Jing Fong. Really impressed here. I can't wait to check out New York's finest next. And thank you for being a part of this, and let's go to the next stop. But before we do, some friends at the table suggested a nice little treat. And let's take you over there right now. Cheers. So it's getting really wet now. We have amazing dim sum at, I guess, New York's largest. And the guests over there, some people sitting at our table recommended Chinatown Ice Cream Factory. So let's go take a look. All right, it's pretty wet here, and I can't wait to I'm looking for a break to cross the road. But these roads are functional. They're very narrow, but there's cars actually going through it. So let's go for some ice cream. What better thing than ice cream on a rainy day? Oh, it's crowded in here. Right there. So let's see what flavors they have here. Interesting. They have mango, the egg tarts, and the dreaded durian, blueberry. Really nice. Hey Tony, how are you?
Good, how are you?
No, this is fantastic. Nothing better on a rainy day than ice cream. What's your favorite?
Also, my favorite is almond cookies, but as of right now, we actually don't have almond cookies.
Yeah.
So I recommend you try something that we normally don't have.
Yeah.
We usually bring back fresh out of the factory.
Okay.
So, for example, we have Thai tea.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. You want to sample it?
Let's go for the Thai tea. Well, someone told me the coconut was really good. Oh, thank you so much. All right, cheers.
There you go.
Vanessa, Melissa. Hey, thank you so much for the recommendation. I got the coconut.
Delicious.
Oh, it's steaming there. All right, thank you again.
Enjoy.
All right, cheers. All right, pretty amazing people here. So I've got my ice cream and really good. And a Thai iced tea, really good suggestion from Tony. So I think with this, it's a nice little bit of, what do they call? It's a nice little palate cleanser. So off we go. So it's later in the evening. We are at 8th and 43rd. We are about to check out New York's finest dim sum. Lois couldn't make it. She was a little bit dim summed out, but I'm glad you can make it. So we're just gonna head off to this place called Hakkasan to experience some unique Chinese or Cantonese food. All right, I think we're just about here. Let's go in. Hey Arturo, thank you so much for this wonderful table.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, this is fantastic.
You enjoy everything that we have to offer you.
All right.
We've got plenty for you to see and try, and we want to have an enjoyable experience.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right. So fantastic people here. A little bit intimidated with the fancy meals aren't really my thing, but Arturo and all the folks are kind of really welcoming here, so it's pretty cool. Again, it's a little bit dark, but really nice stuff. And I think we'll start off with a glass of wine, but let me show you around the room here. So I was a little bit concerned being the only person here. Dim sum might be a bit of a challenge, but the nice thing is they have a dim sum platter, so I got that, and I actually got a Peking duck as well, so that might be too much, but hopefully hopefully we'll get to taste and sample a lot of food. And I think our wine has come. Cheers. Oh, very nice. Oh, it's really nice. I think our dim sum has come. Let's take a look here. All right, well, thanks to Gerardo. Now I know what they are. So we've got the, thanks again. So now we've got the shrimp dumpling, the pepper duck dumpling, a scallop shell mai, and then these are a crab meat dumpling. I can't wait to give it a try. Oh, Lois, I wish you can join me, but that's okay. I'll give you the full review. Let's give this one a try here. Steaming hot, and it's a very different texture, bouncy and sweet. Very good here. And let's try the pepper duck dumpling. Whoa. You do taste the pepper. It's almost like an open-faced soup dumpling with a thick duck broth. And very peppery. They weren't kidding. Really good. And I can't wait for the crab dumpling here with the goji berry on top. Lots of tries. Really good crab flavor. So in a few quick minutes, they're pretty much gone. The nice thing is they're relatively small, so you can have a lot of them. So we made quick work of the dim sum, and I can't wait to see what's next. Hopefully it's the Peking duck or the shrimp roll. Either one, I'll be okay. So this was Arturo's suggestion, and a great one it was. These are the hair-raising crispy shrimp dumpling. Let's give this a try. I guess with all the Instagrammers, they have to make it a little photogenic, but very good. Nice and crispy, juicy. Great texture. Very good. But I can't wait for what's coming up next, and that's the Peking duck. Really dying to give that a try. All right, so finally the Peking duck has arrived, and it looks so good. I think it's meant for 2 or more, but I think I can polish this off myself. Luckily, these are the pancakes. They're nice and thin. The scallion, and the crispy duck. Let's get a pancake and let's get the wrap going. All right, we have the pancake. We'll get a nice fatty piece of duck. Oh, look at that. So 2 pieces in one, some scallions, and then we'll top it off with a bit of sweet hoisin sauce. And to add a little bit of more of a kick, let's try a little bit of the XO sauce. There we go. We'll wrap it up like this. They're not shy about keeping the fat on the duck. The duck skin is nice and crispy and fatty at the same time. Pancake is nice and soft. And that little bit of an XO sauce kind of gives it a real kick. Really nice. Alright, so that was a lot of food. And it took a little while, but the dim sum and that Peking duck was polished off quite nicely. So this is Hakkasan here. And finished off the meal. I think I'm going to go outside and take a breath of fresh air because it was a lot of food. Oh, what a meal at Hakkasan. I can certainly use a walk. So 2 meals, one, the largest dim sum in New York at Jing Fong, and the fanciest or the finest dim sum in New York at Hakkasan. Pretty amazing here, both really good places. The lively, vibrant atmosphere in Jing Fong, and the refined, more modern approach at Hakkasan. I don't know which one's better. I'll let you decide. So thank you so much for joining. I'm just going to meet up with a friend for a show. Unfortunately, it's a musical, but fortunately, it's about Star Wars. So I can't wait. Thank you for joining, and until we see each other again, all the best, and bye-bye.